I got a whole bunch of them. Date night, y'all. We're just here in Helen. We're gonna go over here to the cheese, we call it the cheese place. We're gonna see if they have anything we can taste test while we're waiting on our table at Cowboys and Angels, because there's about a
25 minutes.
Yeah. They got spaghetti with meat sauce, pumpkin cheesecake, caramel pumpkin latte, fried mozzarella appetizer stuffed with ham. I don't know about it being stuffed with ham if we're gonna eat over there, you know? Daddy, it don't look like they have anything we can just try.
No, it don't.
Unless we want to try a piece of pumpkin cheesecake.
Might get me a coffee as I wait.
These are pretty.
Oh, that is red velvet.
I think so. And that looks like peanut butter, probably.
A lot of tasty stuff going on here.
Lots of different coffees, milkshakes, frappes, too. Tell us how the coffee is at Muller's. I think it's called Muller's something.
I like heavy cream. They don't hardly anybody ever have heavy cream. It's always half and half, but I like it just to be heavy cream if I put cream. It's good. So we went on a date, and we do like each other, so we're going to get married.
Y'all, yes, we are. We've decided. Here's the deal.
If anybody's having a picnic, I join them.
I was wrong. I will admit, I was wrong. He was right. He was right about our leaves. Peak was probably 2 days ago, I guess. And right now it's still peak. I think peak lasts about 2 or 3 days, you know?
Well, to be honest with you, right now, they're looking beautiful.
They're still full. Most of our trees are still full. Like over on the mountain across from our house, slap full of all different colored leaves and stuff. So our peak he was right, first week of November.
We're not trying to make fun of the ones in Tennessee.
No, because their peak,
we still got leaves and y'all don't.
No, the Smokies peak probably was third week of October, because when we went up there, a lot of those trees were already bare. I mean, already bare.
Bare.
But
People sometimes will come up and take a little picnic. There was some Indian people up there the other day taking in the view and gave me a sample of their food. It's really good, brother.
I told you. This is like, this is totally
I'm not kidding you, that's delicious.
Yeah.
But you're right, that's hot.
Yeah.
That's hot.
That's why I was worried about you that, Ambika, give me that piece of paper if you have saved it.
All right, y'all pray for me. Right, thank you.
Well, tomorrow morning.
Okay. That's really good. I'm not going to lie to you. That's really tasty.
Okay, good. Well, I'm glad you liked it.
I like it.
I'm Sunny, Sambika.
Share.
Okay.
Sunny and Share.
Nice to meet y'all. Y'all take that view in. That's pretty, ain't it?
Well, Titus didn't get the joke at the end. His wife did a joke. His name was Sunny, and her name was something else, but she said her name was Cher, Sunny and Cher, and Titus just kept on going because he don't know who Sunny and Cher.
I don't know who Sunny and Cher is, but
I was
they're
like,
really nice people. Very
You don't
nice
know
people.
Sunny and Cher? I got you, babe.
I got you too.
You don't know?
I got you.
You don't know
baby.
that song, Sunny and Cher? Y'all.
No, I don't know that one. Check yes or no. Good food. That's what life's all about, folks, is getting out there, meeting new people, talking to people, eating their food. You know what I mean? And just fellowshipping.
And baby, I got you.
That's a good song.
Now, you remember it now?
I think this is how love goes. Check yes or no.
Saturday morning, we're making some pumpkin waffles and bacon for breakfast this morning. And we're gonna make maple steamers. Maple steamer is kind of like hot chocolate, but instead of chocolate, it's maple and vanilla. I'm getting some bacon started in the air fryer. All right, while the bacon's cooking, we'll mix up the pumpkin waffle mixture. And when they're almost done, then we'll get the milk warming up for the maple steamers. First thing we need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon and a half of pumpkin pie spice, half a teaspoon of salt, that's it for the dry ingredients. We'll whisk all these together. Oh, that bacon is smelling good. Smells like Saturday. Let me flip the bacon real quick. Those tongs somewhere, there they are. We need 1 cup of pumpkin, so I have some left over in this jar. I think that's about what we have in here, so we'll just put all that in. 2 eggs, I'm going to break up those eggs really good. We need a 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 1/2 cups of milk. Once we get this mixing, I'll go ahead and turn on the waffle maker so it can be warming up for us. There's the milk. Butter. I'm making pumpkin waffles.
Oh, pumpkin waffles coming at you.
Waffles, bacon, and maple steamers. Maple steamers, it's like hot
Maple
chocolate.
steamers, folks.
It's like hot chocolate, but it's maple and vanilla instead of hot chocolate. But hot maple and vanilla doesn't sound as fun as maple steamers, you know?
Folks, we're making maple steamers on you this morning. The first batch of bacon, always make sure that it's safe for your family. And if it's okay for you, it'll be okay for them. But somebody's got to sacrifice and make that first bite.
Pay no attention to the fact that my waffle maker's handle has been broken. That don't matter. It's still, look, I can still do everything. I don't know what happened. I think it fell from either off the shelf in there or something, and the handle broke off. But it's still, look, that's not hot. A good 1/3 cup scoop is usually not quite how much you need to get 2. It's like white hot chocolate, but not chocolate. Maple.